हेलो गाइस, तो अभी हम लोग आ चुके हैं लाइव। और बुक खोल लीजिए। और अभी करीब 6:45 बज रहे हैं। और अभी से हम लोग 2 घंटा स्टडी करेंगे। तो हम लोग अभी स्टडी करने वाले हैं जीके। लूसेंट है मेरे पास, तो लूसेंट को स्टार्ट करते हैं पहले। और हम लोग को भी, जब मैं रूटीन पढ़ता हूँ तो अभी हम लोग का 2 घंटा स्टडी चलेगा। तो अभी अपना बुक खोल के बैठ जाइए और मेरे साथ लग जाइए पढ़ाई में, क्योंकि पढ़ाई के अलावा हम लोग के पास रखा ही नहीं है कुछ। और सुबह सुबह काफ़ी गर्मी है और धूप काफ़ी तेज़ी से निकल चुका है। और मैं तो लाइब्रेरी जाने वाला मैं से नहीं हूँ। सेल्फ स्टडी और घर में स्टडी हो रहा है। और जैसे मैं रोज़ की तरह लूसेंट तो पढ़ता ही हूँ सुबह सुबह। सबसे पहले सबसे सुबह जब मैं उठता हूँ तो मैं ब्लैक बुक करता हूँ। ब्लैक बुक का एक पेज एवरीडे है मेरा। और उसके बाद फिर ब्लैक बुक करने के बाद मैं स्क्वायर क्यूब जो होता है वो लिखता हूँ 1 से लेकर 50 तक। इसको 1 to 55, 1 to 60 स्क्वायर, और 1 to 30 क्यूब, और परसेंटेज का जो फर्क ये सब होता है शॉर्ट सब वो सब लिखता हूँ। और उसके बाद मैं थोड़ा बड़ा करीब हाफ 1 आवर ये कर लेता हूँ, क्या बोलते हैं आपका, न्यूज़ पढ़ लेता हूँ इन शॉर्ट से। एंड देन आफ्टर रनिंग 1.5 kilometer I came to here. I did not bath today because I went to cut my hair. That's why I'm not going to temple. Otherwise, I every day go to temple just near outside my home. Then after coming from there, I sit on study approx 7:15 and to 2 hour first DK. Then after I go to my shop, and after coming from shop, I will study reasoning 2.5 hour, and then I read 2.5 hour English. And in the evening, I I gave the test, mock test. So now I pick my Lucent book, as you can see. Now I I use this pen for finding the page which I read today. That's I see. So open. So first open your page 144. No, 114. Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm 114 and 115. Then I pick another page. Close, and I write down on it 140, 114 and 115. And then another peak time. That's so 162. 162. Write down it on page 162. No, sorry, I'm 362. Sorry. So now let's start. And after completing the chapter, I will show you which because I use my highlighter. As you can see, where is my highlighter? Yeah, here I'll highlight the important and I will show you. That's right, 114. Yes. Start from some notable fact about various plant, and let's start. And have a nice study, man. So now I would like to tell about you Mercury. So some notable fact about various planets and satellites. So first is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to Sun. That's mean Mercury is very closest from Sun, and it is extremely hot planet. It is extremely second hottest planet. The first is, as you know, that Venus, and third it is special feature is presence of magnetic field on it. There is magnetic field on surface of Mercury, and it it is visible 2 hours before sunrise. The Mercury is visible 2 hours before sunrise. And third is it is the smallest and lightest, the smallest and lightest planet of universe, our universe solar system. That's mean it has no moon. It has no moon. As you know that Venus and Mercury has no moon because they are closest to the sun, and due to closest to the sun, the moons any attract through the gravitation of sun. The planet has no water on it. There is no water, no nitrogen, no hydrogen, no oxygen. That's why life is impossible from there, on there. And most important thing is there is no protective blanket. That's mean like ozone. There is no ozone. So if you are gone there, then we will die just a second because of radiation. The sunrise, it is first is close to the sun, and second is sunrise radiation. The end. Marine plant has no protective blanket radiation. So now I will be read about Venus. So now I would like to talk about Venus. Venus is the second planet distance from is the second from distance from Sun. The first is Mercury and second is Venus. And it is also called morning and evening star. As you know that it is called morning and evening star. Venus is surrounded by a thick cloud. Venus is surrounded by a thick cloud, which are hence known as Villid planet. Villid. That's mean Villid means unclear. So it is called Villid planet. If you anyone any exam question you who is Villid planet, then you will answer Venus. And it is same to the Earth mass and size. That's why he is called twins of Earth. And there is no water in Venus, and there are sufficient amount of oxygen on there, and it is the hottest planet, and its rotation is clockwise like Venus. Venus rotation is like Uranus. Uranus and Venus moves clockwise direction, and our Earth and any anti-clockwise. So that's all about Venus. Now I repeat, Venus is the second planet in the distance from the Sun. This planet is the nearest to the Earth. Earth is nearest to Venus is nearest to our Earth, and it's brightest planet. It is brightest and hottest planet. Venus is surrounded by a thick cloud cover, hence known as Villid planet. Villid means unclear or cover. Venus is like the Earth in size and mass, and hence also known as the Earth's twin. That is called Earth's twin. It is also rotate. It also rotates clockwise like Uranus. It also rotates clockwise like Uranus. Uranus and Venus moves clockwise. Rotates. That's mean. I'm sorry. Venus is the hottest planet, even hotter than Mercury. Venus is the hottest planet and even hotter than Mercury of our solar system. Due to velvet cloud, Venus has no water on it, and there are sufficient amount of oxygen on there. So life it is maybe impossible on there because it is the hottest planet. Now I will go to read about the Earth as we our home. Now I would like to talk about the Earth. The Earth is the largest inner planet. As you know that there are two types of planet, inner planet and outer planet. So largest inner planet is Earth because it's bigger than Mercury and Venus. And fifth largest planet on solar system. Second, first largest in inner and fifth in full solar system. The Earth is 23 degree and half 23 and half tilt on its axis and makes angle of 66 and half degree angle. The Earth rotates 1 degree in 4 minutes. 1 degree in 4 minutes. Earth rotates. That's it takes 23 hour 56 minute and 4.091 second to rotate on axis with a speed of 1610 km per hour. The speed of Earth around Sun. Now the speed of Earth to move its axis is 1 1610 km per hour. That's mean very huge. It takes 365 days, 5 hours and 48 minutes to revolve around the sun. Mean velocity itna. The speed of the speed of Earth around sun is 29.8 km per second. The two on its axis 1610 kilometers per hour and moves around the moves around sun is 29.8 kilometer per second. 29.8 kilometer per second. It the earth is known as water planet because there are sufficient amount of water on the surface of earth, and the earth is the only planet which sustains provides sustenance or life on it. It has largest quantity of oxygen which support life, and every living being needs oxygen, and there are huge amount of water on it. Therefore, it is called water planet. And the Earth is 23 and half degree tilt and makes the angle of 66 degree 66 and a half degree angle, and it moves around sun this it moves around the sun at the velocity of 29.8 kilometer per second, and the speed of earth through its axis is 1610 kilometer per hour. And that's all about this earth. And now I'm going to read about the satellite of earth. That's only one satellite, moon. So let's go. So now guys, मम्मी अभी चना गुड़ ला के दे दी है. Now gram and good. So I eat it for making body. So my body is very loose. That's why I goes to wall, do exercise and little bit push-ups for bit for body fit. Now first I eat, then I will taught you about the moon. I read and mark it. So first I read and memorize it. Then